Welcome back to Car Fusion, your ultimate destination for everything cars. Today, we are diving into a true automotive icon, a car that defines pure driving joy like no other. Yes, we're talking about the legendary Mazda MX-5 Miata. Get ready because this isn't just a review. This is a love letter to a machine that captures the heart, grips the road, and delivers a driving experience unlike anything else on the planet. Since its launch back in 1989, the Mazda MX-5 Miata has been a symbol of lightweight, affordable, and downright thrilling performance. In a world full of bulky SUVs and high-powered beasts, the Miata has stayed true to its core philosophy: less is more. With each generation, Mazda has carefully evolved the MX-5 without ever losing the soul that made it legendary. It's not about crazy horsepower numbers. It's about connection, simplicity, and that unforgettable feeling of top-down freedom. And trust me, once you drive a Miata, your definition of driving pleasure will change forever. Take one look at the MX-5, and you can't help but smile. Its design is clean, compact, and perfectly balanced. The flowing curves, the aggressive yet playful front end, the classic short overhangs. It's a car that looks like it's moving, even when standing still. Mazda calls its design philosophy Kodo, soul of motion, and honestly, it shows. Every line, every curve, every detail whispers excitement and elegance. It's the kind of car you'll glance back at every time you park it. And with a variety of vibrant colors like soul red, crystal metallic, and machine gray, you can truly make the Miata your own expression of style. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that's focused, functional, and surprisingly premium. Every button, every dial is placed exactly where your hands expect it to be. The seats wrap around you, providing support that feels tailor-made. And even though it's a small cabin, Mazda has worked magic to make it feel open and inviting. The steering wheel feels perfectly weighted, the shifter slots into gear with a satisfying click, and the pedals are beautifully placed for spirited driving. This is a cockpit designed not for luxury, but for connection, a bond between driver and machine that few other cars can replicate. Now, let's get to the real magic, the way the MX-5 Miata drives. Under the hood, you'll find a lively 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering around 181 horsepower. Now, you might think, that's not much, especially in a world where 700 horsepower monsters are everywhere. But trust me, the Miata isn't about brute force. It's about balance, agility, and pure fun. Weighing in at just around 2,400 pounds, the Miata dances through corners with the grace of a ballerina. The steering is sharp, direct, and full of feedback. The rear-wheel drive layout gives it a playful, engaging character that makes every drive, even a simple grocery run, feel like an adventure. And let's not forget that classic manual transmission option. Crisp, precise, and an absolute dream to row through the gears. Of course, part of the Miata's magic is the open-top experience. With the soft top, you can drop the roof in seconds, literally with one hand, and feel the wind, the sun, and the world around you. If you prefer a little more comfort, Mazda also offers the RF model with a power-retractable hardtop, blending coupe-like security with convertible fun. There's nothing quite like carving up a twisty road with the roof down, the engine singing, and the world blurring by. It's freedom on four wheels, and it's absolutely addicting. Now, just because the Miata is old-school fun doesn't mean it's outdated. Mazda has packed the MX-5 with all the modern features you need. A crisp 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Bose sound system, advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning. It's the perfect blend of old-school thrills and modern convenience, making it a car you can enjoy every single day. Another reason the Miata continues to win hearts? It's not just thrilling, it's also practical. You get outstanding fuel economy, with up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway. And when you compare it to other sports cars, the Miata is incredibly affordable. Starting around $30,000, it offers a level of driving bliss that many cars double or triple the price can't even touch. Simply put, it's one of the greatest performance bargains on the road today. Owning a Miata isn't just about the car. It's about joining a family. The Miata community is one of the most passionate and welcoming in the world. From local club drives to massive meetups, there's a whole universe of enthusiasts ready to share their love for this incredible little roadster. And whether you keep your Miata stock or modify it into a track weapon, the possibilities are endless. It's a car that invites you to make it your own and rewards you every mile along the way. At Car Fusion, we believe cars are more than just machines. They're experiences, memories, emotions, and the Mazda MX-5 Miata delivers that experience better than almost anything else on four wheels. It's proof that you don't need 600 horsepower or a six-figure price tag to have a thrilling, unforgettable drive. Sometimes, all you need is a light, nimble, beautifully crafted roadster and a wide-open road. So if you're looking for pure driving joy, wrapped in a package of style, value, and timeless charm, look no further than the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Thanks for watching Car Fusion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we've got plenty more driving dreams coming your way.